Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the deck profile of Salamangreat for the new Forbidden Limited list. I broke down and just looked the list up and kind of memorized the list. So I don't have to be using Duelingbook anymore, because I don't like Duelingbook. But anyway, this is what I came up with for Salamangreat. It looks pretty much the same except for the... So, one Salamangreat Gazelle because I got limited. One spinny, two spinny. I thought I'll play in three of these, but I was like, I would rather see backup secretary in my opening hand. I want to see it a little bit more. I wish I could find room for a third backup secretary because backup secretary plus any link plus any level 3 equals your combo, right? So you're trying to pull off rank 3s as quick as possible. And I'll explain in a bit. I thought of playing Instant Fusion as well because rank 3s, woohoo, backup. Junk Food is another card that you could think about, but it's been working pretty well for me. 3 Foxy, because getting to the Gazelle is important. This is like turboing out Gazelle, basically, is the idea of this deck. 1 Jaguar, 1 Fowl, 1 Falco, 1 Lady Debug, 2 Backup Secretary. Again, I want to play 3, but I couldn't find room. I guess I could cut these, but anyway, 2 Danger Jackalope, 2 Danger this guy. So basically, the idea of this is it sets up your graveyard for the Salamangreat cards that you want in the level 3, right? So you can use these to make the Exceed guy and then detach such for something yourself from the deck, and it's not negated or anything, so you can start comboing off by making rank 3. So yeah, these are really powerful. 3 Ash Blossom, obviously it's a good card. 1 Sanctuary, because you still only need the 1. 1 Salamangreat Circle, because it got limited. 1 Fusion of Fire. 1 Salamangreat, Will of the Salamangreat. 3 Sunnet Mining. I was playing 3 of these before the ban list. I saw people wanting playing 2, which is weird. I don't like 2. I like it at 3. Because searching to my deck for the Gazelle, opening with that is your goal, and you want to have as many Gazelles in your deck as fucking possible. And so I was been playing 3 of these, but since the ban list hit, you have to play 3, just to make up for the circle that you lost, the 2 circles that you lost. It's only make up for 1 of them. 3 super polymerizations because this card is insane. I'm like thinking of taking this into like every deck I ever make. This card is crazy good. 3 Call by the Graves, 1 Salamangreat War, 1 Salamangreat Rage, 3 Solemn Judgments, because why the fuck not going first? This card is insane going first. Going second, you started out, but going first, this card is an auto win. I don't know what they were smoking. This is how you know the balance isn't about making money. I mean, isn't about making the game fair, because they just gave us 3 Solemn Judgments and 3 Super Polymerizations. That's an insane, because it's just stupid. These 2 should probably never exist, and I rarely say this, but they should probably never exist to begin with, and now they're at 3 again, so they definitely shouldn't be. But I'm happy that they are, because, you know, winning. 3 Infinite Impermanents, 1 Salamangreat Fallen Chimera, 1 Starling Phantom Fusion Dragon, because this card is good. It's basically your super poly target. You use it against, so basically you super poly the, Orcus cards, and then you screw them up because they can't keep going. 1 Salamangreat, this guy, I cannot pronounce his name. Basically, this is the idea of the whole deck. You try to trouble him out to get to the Gazelle. Like I said, I thought about playing Instant Fusions. You could try Instant Fusion, take out Judgment, or more backup secretaries if you want. Junk Forder, anything you possibly can to get to this. 1 Daigusto Emerald because he's back at 1. Woohoo! That's my wife. Apologies back. Because shuffling back his stuff, especially the Gazelle, making your plays, allowing you to extend and keep going, and not losing to because you used up your combo pieces. 3 Baymats, whatever. 3 Sunlight Wolves, 2 Helio, 1 Fire Charmer, 1 Phoenix, 1 Cerberus. For my side deck, 3 Prinkatop, 3 Lance, 1 Fusion of Fire, 2 Twin Twister, 3 Evenly Matched, 3 Artifact Sanctums, just to get this out, because I feel like Orcus is going to be one of the best decks of the format, and Thunder Dragons are going to be one of the best decks of the format. They're going to be the 2 best decks, and Salamangreat are probably going to be number 3, or number 4 in that. It's that or Sky Strikers. They're going to go back and forth between those two, but yeah, so fighting in these are going to be really good to stop that matchup. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't subscribe, know what you think in the comments below. I will catch you guys tomorrow. This is Jinzo. Sign out. Bye.